Dear students, let's start 10 lines on National Technology Day. The National Technology Day is celebrated every year on 11th May in order to mark the anniversary of the Pokhran nuclear test in 1998. The program celebration aims to highlight the achievement of India as it became the sixth country of that time to join the nuclear club. The government of India successfully tested nuclear bombs on 11th May 1998. Technology Development Board helps many educational institutions in promoting research and innovation as a part of the celebration. The event is celebrated across the country in schools, colleges, universities, and scientific research institutions. The day is celebrated by organizing public speeches, interactive sessions, exhibitions, debates, quiz competitions, and lectures. Every year, the National Technology Day is celebrated across the nation with a theme to promote technological advancement. One of the objectives of celebrating National Technology Day is to inspire upcoming generations for higher studies and research in the field of technology. National Technology Day creates awareness about the importance of technology in the daily life of people. Technical and science fests are organized in many schools and colleges by inviting eminent personalities from the field of science and technology. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.